best thing about Virat Kohli is that he lets his bat speak for himself. People take him that he's not shouting or he's not showing aggression, but he is very aggressive. Aggression is his strength, you know. That is definitely the most proudest moment of my life, that he has achieved this feat. You know, I'm really proud of him, and really he has done wonders, and he's been serving the country so well, and I'm really very happy for him.
He missed out on a couple of occasions in this World Cup. How do you rate this World Cup? This Virat Kohli, after a gap of 3 years, he has been so consistent. So what's your take on this?
Well, he was playing well in that time also, but he was not getting those big runs. But yes, he is getting the highest runs in this World Cup. So it is good for the country, and this is the best occasion that if India wins and he contributes for that, that would be the best moment for me and for him also, that he is doing so well for the country.
It's his birthday today, and anything you want to say? It's a special day for the country and him. So both of the occasions coming together, and at this very special ground, Eden Gardens, where you remember if that Virat Kohli's 100 against Sri Lanka, where Gautam Gambhir, a senior Delhi statesman, shared his man of the match with him. So what's your take on this?
Definitely. First of all, it is his birthday, and I wish him a lot of good wishes for me for his birthday, and I wish and pray that he keeps on playing like this and give happiness to the whole country, which he is doing now. And yes, I do remember that here only Gautam gave him his Man of the Match award, and that was very nice of Gautam doing that gesture, that to encourage a youngster. And today he is scoring his 49th 100 at the same place, and equaling the great Sachin Tendulkar feat is not a mean achievement, because Sachin has always been his idol, and so just equaling that big record is not a mean feat, and I'm really happy. So is the whole country.
So it's
Hmm.
it has been a series of a different Virat Kohli. He is not in his usual character, the more aggressive, the more charismatic Virat Kohli. He's a lot calmer. So how has it helped Virat Kohli in his batting?
No, if you see, he is aggressive in his batting. I mean, people take him that he is not shouting or he is not showing aggression, but he is very aggressive. Aggression is his strength, but that is, now it is a controlled aggression. With the age, he has matured a lot. He is a very intelligent cricketer, and he knows, how to, when to be aggressive. And best thing about Virat Kohli is that he lets his bat speak for himself.
India's bowling is also breathing fire, and it's a very good total of 326 that India has put up today, and it's potentially a game that India may face in the semis or the finals. So what do you want to say on this?
I think India has done so well in this match, because it was a very, very difficult wicket to bat. If you see the way Maharaj bowled, he just didn't let anybody hit him, not even for a single boundary. He just bowled his 10 overs for 30 runs. So one could make out that how difficult this wicket was, and credit must go to Maharaj. The way he bowled, consistently he bowled at a particular line, never allowed anybody to go past him. And so now I think it is a very difficult wicket for South Africans to chase 326, and with Kuldeep Yadav and Ravindra Jadeja, we have got two world-class bowlers. I think they'll face real trouble in getting past them, and it is a very, very competitive score, and I think India should go through easily.
So 19th of November, Narendra Modi Stadium. Are we seeing another historic triumph for India? And this time, I hope that Virat Kohli, or the nation hopes that Virat Kohli takes the charge like Sachin Tendulkar did in 2011.
I'm very hopeful, and I'm praying to the God that it should happen, and I think we have all the momentum going for the team, and the morale is very high in the team, and they are really peaked at the right time. So I'm very hopeful that it should happen in Ahmedabad, that we lift the World Cup once again after 2011, and everybody, all the Indians are praying and expecting this thing, and so am I. And I think that would be a great gesture, and that would be a great thing for the country and for the cricket.
Sir, any special messages to the birthday boy, or like anything you want to say?
I just want to say that I'm proud of him and wish him a lot of good health and success in future, and just wish him that he keeps playing like this and keep winning the matches for the country and give happiness to the whole country.